Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Pumps. Ashton, part of the Nacho team, put this up in Discord today. I might help some people. Great news, the Kasware team has released a wallet app update that may help you recoup some of your Kaspa that has been stuck in the KRC-20 minting process. Please make sure your Kasware wallets are up to date and check out this guide for how to get some of your Kaspa back. So when you click on the link, I'll put the link in the description of the video for you. You can just go down below and get it. But this is it here. It brings you to this. So when you were doing your KRC-20 minting, you might have lost some Nacho, you might have lost some gold or whatever you were minting on the day. You might have lost some of it, or you might have transferred some Kaspa and you lost some of that. So this, you might be able to recover it with this, so it's worth a look. So anyway, retrieve incomplete KRC-20 fund. This is a little tool to help users retrieve funds, blah de blah. Background, I need to explain the second feature called retrieve incomplete Kasplex funds below. Most people know that the KRC-20 involves two transactions. If the first is successful while the second fails, user's Kas is stuck in another address called commit address. So we have built a little tool that can help users retrieve these funds. And for the retrieve, users have to remember input parameters like ticker name, amount, etc. when mint, deploy, and transfer. The parameter of the mint is simple. It's mainly a ticker name. We have built a list of all ticker names, and the tool will loop all ticker names to find the one users have lost. However, parameters of transfer deploy are a little more complicated. Users have to remember the amount, the ticker, pre-allocation, etc. It's impossible to loop all possibility. So users have to input every parameter by themselves. So what it's saying is that I'll show you now. You can just click the button and it should find whatever KRC-20 token. It'll locate it for you that you might have lost. But on the Kas transfer, you might have to put in the amount of Kas and to try and retrieve it. Tutorial, go to the settings, you go into app, go to this. So basically it's instructions on what to do here. So what you do anyway, I'll open up my wallet here. So Kasware wallet, I will just make this bigger. You can expand view. So what you call it, I did some minting on this. I have a little bit. You check your balance, you can go to Kaspa or Kasperbot and you can check your balance on that because it still doesn't show it on Kasware wallet. I don't know what you can do it on Kasperbot, but they can't do it on Kasware. I don't know. But anyway, so KRC-20, it's all empty there. You used to go into here and you used to be able to mint, but there's no data in there. So anyway, for this, we're going to go to settings, like they said. You go to apps and retrieve incomplete KRC-20 UTXOs. You click on that and you can type in, I tried it a couple of ways. I typed in Nacho and I typed in gold and it gave me the same result. But if you don't even type in your ticker, if you lost some KRC-20 tokens and you just hit search incomplete KRC-20s, it says I lost 1.2 Kas and they have got it for me. So I don't know about you, but I'm going to have a party on the weekend. I'm going to go out and just get pissed on that 1.2 Kas and I'm going to have a mad party and I'm going to come back late. But anyway, you might have lost a lot more, a substantial amount more than me. But you can go in and give this a go, and hopefully if you've lost anything, you'll be able to retrieve it now with this update. And that's all I wanted to bring. Actually, while you're here, I'll hit the retrieve button and see what happens because I haven't done that yet. So 1.2 Kas received to this my wallet, so done. So I now have an extra 1.2 Kas in there. So I should have checked it beforehand, but I didn't. But obviously there's an extra 1.2 in there. And that's the whole video. Just a quick update. So good luck with that. Let me know how you got on in the comments. Let me know if you retrieved any money and it was helpful. And thanks for watching the video. I will talk to you soon.